Across the sacred land of Bharat, where every mountain breathes power and every river whispers divinity, rise the eternal shrines of the Divine Mother, the 51 Shakti Pithas. These are not just temples, they are living centers of cosmic energy, formed where the sacred body of goddess Sati touched the earth. From the mystic Kamakhya of Assam to the ocean-kissed Kanyakumari, from fiery Kali Ghat of Kolkata to the mountain shrine of Vaishno Devi, each Shakti Peeth awakens a different force of the divine feminine. This is not just a pilgrimage, this is a journey into power, protection, healing, and destiny. Welcome to the sacred 51 Shakti Peeth temple tour, a divine path that transforms the soul.
The 51 Shakti Pithas are not just temples, they are the most powerful spiritual energy centers of the Divine Mother on earth. These sacred places were formed where the body parts and ornaments of Goddess Sati fell, filling the land with cosmic Shakti. Every Shakti Peeth represents protection, power, healing, and liberation. A single darshan can change destiny forever. Assam, Tripura, and Bengal Tantric Shakti. From the mystical Kamakhya of Assam, where creation energy flows, to Tripura Sundari, the goddess of beauty and power, to the fiery Kali Ghat of Kolkata, East India is the heartbeat of Tantra and Shakti worship. These temples awaken hidden spiritual strength and remove fear, obstacles, and negative karmas.
South India Shakti Circuit. At the edge of the ocean stands Kanyakumari, the eternal virgin goddess. In Suchindram, Devi Narayani grants protection. In Kanchipuram, Goddess Kamakshi blesses wisdom, wealth, and divine love. In Sri Sailam, Brahmarambika Devi radiates Jyotirlinga level power. South India holds deep-rooted Shakti energy. Himachal and Vaishno Devi Shakti Shield. 9 powerful Shakti Peeths protect North India like a divine fortress. Naina Devi, Chintapurni, Jwalamukhi with eternal flames, Vajreshwari, Baglamukhi, Chamunda, and finally, Mata Vaishno Devi. This is not just a pilgrimage, it is a spiritual protection shield for every devotee.
Maharashtra Shakti Peeths, Saptashringi on the hills to fierce Tuljapur Bhavani to Mahugarh Devi and Golden Kolhapur Mahalakshmi, Maharashtra's Shakti Peeths bless victory, courage, wealth, and protection. These temples have protected kings, warriors, and millions of devotees for centuries. Gujarat and Somnath Shakti Peeth. Ambaji, where the heart of goddess Sati is worshipped with pure devotion, and Somnath, where Shakti and Jyotirlinga unite as one powerful energy field. These Shakti Peeths bless health, emotional strength, and divine stability. Madhya Pradesh. Shakti and Narmada power. At Ujjain's Har Siddhi and Avantika Shakti Peeths, Devi rules time and destiny. At Amarkantak, Kali and Narmada Devi manifest together where the sacred rivers are born. This land carries both destructive and nourishing power of Shakti. Uttar Pradesh Shakti Peeths. In Varanasi, Devi Barahi and Vishalakshi grant liberation. In Prayagraj, Alopi Devi exists without form, only pure power. In Chitrakoot, Goddess Shivani blesses family life and emotional healing. These Shakti Peeths balance karma and moksha together. Odisha Shakti Peeth. Inside the Jagannath temple in Puri resides Vimala Devi. At Tana Tarini, the breast of goddess Sati fell. In Jajpur, goddess Biraja rules from the navel Shakti Peeth. Odisha preserves some of India's most ancient and powerful Devi traditions. Complete 51 Shakti Peeth Yatra. 51 sacred energy centers. 51 divine manifestations. 1 eternal mother. The 51 Shakti Peeth Temple Yatra is not a normal journey, it is a spiritual rebirth. From the Himalayas to the oceans, from fierce tantric shrines to compassionate Devi temples, every step transforms the soul and awakens inner Shakti.
a sacred pilgrimage across the soul of India. Blessingsonthenet.com brings you customized and exclusive Shaktipeeth pilgrimage tours crafted with devotion, comfort, and spiritual authenticity across the sacred land of India.